This is 204 Grove Street in Bangor. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, kind of cape design and a nice quiet area of Bangor. This is the Tree Streets over by Eastern Maine and St. Joe's. This single family was renovated 5 years ago. All new heating, new plumbing. Inside was updated kitchen and bath. Kind of neat because it does have a paved driveway. Not that you can tell it's winter time, but it does have a paved driveway. The owner paved it. And then it's got a good sized deck here. Probably twice the size of the normal deck in our area. And then the yard is fenced, all except for this little piece of the driveway. So it does have a storage building up back as well, which is kind of cool because you do get some storage. And there's actually some pavers and stuff down. It's really kind of a nice backyard. The tenant we had didn't have any animals, but the owner would be flexible on pets. In fact, it would be a great yard to have finished a little piece of fencing with some temporary fence or something, and it would be great if somebody had animals. This, I'll take my shoes off. It's got a great kitchen. It's got this big built-in bar set up for bar stools, but the other neat thing is that it looks right into the living room. A lot of extra storage, which is kind of cool. And then it's got a kitchen that's kind of L-shaped. Stove, dishwasher, and fridge. Fridge is just a couple years old. That only had one tenant in it. They were here 5 years. They just moved out 4.5 years technically. So it's got a full bath down here, and then it's got another bath upstairs. It's got a shower as well. They did do some nicer finishes like the granite. It's got a little bit of linen storage, and then washer dryer hookup, which is really nice. You get washer dryer on the first floor, and then it's got a full shower and tub. And this is one of those whirlpools. So that was another neat feature. It is real tile in the kitchen. And the living room here is real hardwood. Probably as old as the house, but he put new coats of polyurethane on it. Windows have been replaced with vinyl, and the heating system is high efficiency. The heat cost on this house is amazing. He, when he bought it, he did new attic insulation and spray foamed the basement and replaced the furnace with a high efficiency gas unit. The last 5 years, the average heat cost was like $78 a month. It was just over $900 for the whole year. That's probably half what the normal house in Bangor costs, and some houses in Bangor cost, you know, $2,500, $3,500. So it might be as little as a third of most houses in Bangor, especially old houses. So. Good sized living room, big enough to do a sectional. It's got this kind of cool bay window. Thermostat, of course. I'll give you an angle here because that's a look into the kitchen. And then on this side, it's got first floor bedroom. I guess it could be an office if somebody wanted the master bedroom upstairs, but it is the biggest bedroom, I think, by a little bit. The one right above this is about the same size, but it does have a closet over there. So it could be an office, bedroom, whatever somebody wanted. If somebody needs first floor living, it's a neat house because there's a first floor bathroom and first floor bedroom. It does have a decent amount of storage too. It's got a little like closet here for odds and ends. And then bathroom, bedroom, bedroom. This is the biggest bedroom here. Up here. I actually think, look at it from this side, probably easier to tell. It's big enough for a king size bed on this wall, I think, without any issue. I think I'd probably do a king size with stands. It's got nice light with the windows, and then a big closet. It's got a little shelving there, plus a big rod all the way across. And then, let me close these up. You've got the second bedroom, or third bedroom if you use the first floor. This is pretty good size too. Look here. Go back up to focus. There we go. Closet over there. This, excuse me, upstairs is getting new carpet. I don't know if you can tell picture-wise, but it's got, some of this is from people walking in on the real estate showings. They didn't take their shoes off, so let's track this up. But it was cleaned. And that actually looked pretty good, but it had a little bit. But over there, they like spilled something that was slightly red. So this room in the hallway is being replaced next week. And then bathroom, again up here, nice floor. Vanity has got like a marble top to it. It's kind of nice. And then stand-up shower. So you have 2 showers instead of depending on one. And then linen storage over there as well. So very neat on that regards. And that kind of finishes 204 Grove Street. While it has been for sale, the owner is open to different lease terms. Let me see if I can grab a light switch here. So the owner would do anything from 6 to 24 months for a lease. That's a little unusual. A lot of owners don't like to do long-term leases, but the owner would have no problem doing a long-term lease here if somebody wanted. He'd also do as short as 6 months because it's our winter time. So in 6 months, the property would sell without any issue. Our spring is a heavy real estate time for this area. So kind of completes 204 Grove. 974-6606. Visit us at rentbangor.com.